So good morning. Exercise 7.5. So the previous video, as I said, question number 4, 10, 11, I will do any one sum. So I will choose on question number 11. 5x upon exercise 7.5, question number 11. Okay, any out of 3 sums. Question number 4, 10, 11, I will do any one sum. I will choose question number 11. 5x upon square root, that is not known as square root. X plus 1, x square minus 4. X plus 1 times x square minus 4. You can ask me, sir, inside square no, sir, just CSK5 you can do. CSK5 you can do, but go for lengthy method, but one condition. CSK5 if you want to do now, the numerator must be the quadratic polynomial. But here there is a new linear polynomial, so go with CSK. You simplify the question. 5x upon x plus 1 times x plus 2 into x minus 2 dx. This will become denominator 3 brackets. Automatically CSK3. Okay, so CSK3 na, so therefore CSK3 na 5x upon x plus 1 without integrations, x plus 2 x minus 2 equal to a upon the first bracket and b upon the second bracket, c upon third bracket is easy enough. So therefore normal, don't forget to write the left hand side LHS, x plus 1 x plus 2 x minus 2. Now normal LCM, denominator normal LCM. So 3 brackets, right? So denominator will get 3 brackets, x plus 1 x plus 2 x minus 2. So how to take the LCM? Because few students doesn't know how to take LCM. 3 brackets I need. 1 bracket is available. X plus 1 alone available. Therefore remaining 2 brackets I have to write a times x plus 2 into x minus 2 and b times x plus 2 is available. Upper remaining bracket x plus 1 into x minus 2 plus c into x minus 2 is available. Upper c into x plus 1 into x plus 2. Okay, first step, both the side cancel. Therefore finally I got 5x equal to a times x plus 2 into x minus 2, b times x plus 1 into x minus 2, c times x plus 1 into x plus 2. This is your old numerator and the new numerator. Now shortcut 3 portions to find out the ABC value. First one, I need to find out. Now if I put x equal to minus 2, the entire bracket will become 0 and here also the entire bracket will become 0. So first step, x equal to minus 2. Both the side. 5 into minus 2 equal to a into 0, minus 2 plus 2 0. And b into minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus c into 0, because if I put minus 2 here, minus 2 plus 2 0, 0 into anything 0. Okay, so I got minus 10 equal to, if I simplify this one, this will become minus 1, this will become minus 4 plus 4b I got, I think so. So b or a value minus 10 upon 4, you can simplify minus 5 by 2. So b or a value, I got b or a value minus 5 by 2. B equal to minus 5 by 2. Yes. Now we'll go for next one. If I put x equal to 2. So x equal to 2 na, this will become 0 and this will become 0. Up x equal to 2 na, both the side. So up 5 into 2 equal to a is 0, is b 0, c. So x equal to 2 na, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2. So I got 10 equal to 3 into 4, 12. So 12c. I got c equal to 10 by 12. You can simplify for the 5 by 6. C equal to, I got c equal to 5 by 6. Next. So these two are gone. Next, x equal to minus 1. Minus 1 pota 0, 0. Very good. X equal to minus 1 pota 5 times minus 1 equal to a into minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 pota full 0, minus 1 pota 0. Up with 0. So I got 1 into minus 3. Minus 3. So minus 5 equal to minus 3a. So a equal to, I got 5 upon 3. So a equal to, I got 5 upon 3. So all the values if I found now go back and substitute ABC here. Okay, for CSK3. Therefore I got the new sum as this one equal to integration a upon x plus 1 dx, okay, b upon x plus 2, c upon x minus 2. Substitute the ABC value. A value 5 by 3, right? So put 5 by 3, take it out. Constant dana. So 5 by 3 value remaining 1 upon x plus 1 dx. B minus 10 by 4. Minus 10 by 4 put, take it out. Minus 10 by 4 1 upon x plus 2 dx plus C 5 by 6. 5 by 6 integration 1 upon x minus 2 dx. Denominator differentiate பண்ணி numerator வந்துச்சுனா x plus 1 differentiate பண்ணா 1. இது x differentiate பண்ணா 1. இது differentiate பண்ணா 1. அப்ப answer என்ன ஆகும்? Log of denominator. Therefore 5 upon 3 log of x plus 1 minus 10 upon 4 log of x plus 2 plus 5 upon 6 log of denominator plus c. If you want to simplify, you can simplify. So I have completed this exercise. Question number 1, 2, 3. I think let me also give you an idea or sketch of the chapter. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 11. These are the sums I completed. Okay. Now we move on to the 1, 2, 3, 4 I completed. Question number 10, 11 also I completed. Now question number 5. 2x upon. Question number 5. Still I have not taught you any toughest sum. Wait. What are the toughest sum? Numerator and denominator power same. Again I have to revise. No. So wait. Question number 5. Integrations 2x upon. Question number 5. Integration 2x upon x square plus 3x plus 2. X square plus 3x plus 2. Now you guys will ask me. So numerator power is small, sir. So you have to use a lambda mu method which you use in the 7.4. Why you are not using this method? Because you have to do the smart work. Integration is ocean, okay? You have to swim in that. So just do the smart work. Is it possible to factorize? Yes, it is possible. X plus 1 times x plus 2. If you have a class 8th portion, x square plus 2x plus 3 plus 1x plus 2. Yes. Now it become CSK2. CSK2. Why the CSK2? Denominator 2 bracket. There is easy now. X upon x plus 1 into x plus 2. Now A upon x plus 1. B upon x plus 2. Therefore LCM. X upon x plus 1 into x plus 2 equal to normal LCM. A times x plus 2. B times x plus 1. Denominator x plus 1 into x plus 2. Now cancel it. Therefore x equal to. So I got A times x plus 2. B times x plus 1. Old numerator, new numerator, 2 portions to find out the value of A and B. So if I put x equal to minus 2, A will become 0. So x both the sides. This will become 0. This will become minus B. So I got B or a value 2. If I put x equal to minus 1, this becomes 0. So minus 1 equal to, I got A. So A value minus 1, B value 2. A value minus 1, B value 2. Somewhere I've done a mistake. Somewhere I've done a mistake. No, you have to go through. Minus 2, minus 1. A upon x plus 1, x plus 2, right? Somewhere A upon x plus 1, B upon x plus 2. See here, numerator they given you 2x. I have taken x. That's the problem. So like this careless mistake, this is a careless mistake. So don't do the careless mistake in your exams. So this will become 2x, and this will become x. This will become minus 4. This will become b equal to 4. And if I put x equal to minus 1, this will become so minus 2 and b equal to 4. Yes, clear? So you can ask me, say if I put x plus 2 and x plus 1 like this, the AB will be changing. So is there any mistake? No mistake at all. So you can carry on. Now substitute the ABC in the integrations. Therefore integration A upon B upon A upon x plus 1 dx. Integration b upon x plus 2 the dx. Don't do the careless mistake which I have done. Okay, so a would have value minus 2, substitute and take it outside, x plus 1 dx. B would have value 4, substitute and take it outside, x plus 2 dx. So finally I got, if we denominator differentiate from numerator vanduchuna, minus 2 log of denominator plus 4 log of denominator plus c. Okay, so question number 5 I completed. Now question number 6 onwards you have to be very careful. Question number 6. Now question number 6. Numerator 1 minus x square. Question number 6 of exercise 7.5. Numerator 1 minus x square. Denominator x into 1 minus 2x. Denominator x into 1 minus 2x. Now you guys will ask me, sir, this is CSK2 only, no sir, because you only told me denominator 2 bracket and CSK2. Yes, I agree with you, but in the CSK2, the numerator must be the linear polynomial. X oda coefficient 1 ஆதா இருக்கணும். ஆனா x oda coefficient என்ன இருக்கு? 2. Please be aware. One more time I am repeating. You only told me that denominator 2 bracket na CSK2 no sir. But this is CSK2, so I can write as a upon x plus b upon 1 minus 2x. You can do. You try it and you will get a b sum. A and b will be 0 or something. So don't do that one. Like this sum, you have to check that numerator power linear polynomial x oda power 1 இருந்தா மட்டும்தான் you have to use CSK2 3 and all. CSK2 and 3. So for numerator power is quadratic. Just multiply inside. Okay. So 1 minus x square upon x ulla multiply panna x minus 2x square. So order is minus a common add. Numerator minus a common add, denominator minus a common add. So I got x square minus 1. Inga 2x square minus x dx. இப்போ numerator power denominator x உடைய power same ஆ இருந்துச்சுன்னா, numerator x உடைய power denominator x உடைய highest power same ஆ இருந்துச்சுன்னா, I already told you that we have to do the long division method. Long division class 7th 8th portion. So form that is long division, quotient plus remainder by denominator. Quotient plus remainder by denominator. Like this you have to do. So long division method, Marnichi sir, apply kindly guide us how to do the long division method. So long division method another 4 by 2 now, which is divisor, which is dividend. You know that 4 is dividend and 2 is divisor. So long division method I'm teaching you class 8th portion. So that is x square minus 1 inside, 2x square minus x is outside. So long division method. So this is x square and this one first term 2x square. I got 1 upon 2. Put this 1 upon 2 in the numerator. First term by, okay. Now multiply 2x square into 1 by 2. I got x square minus, this is called minus x by 2. Change the symbol, cancel it. I got x upon 2 minus 1. No need to go for next step because you can't do, because here x or highest power is 1, this is 2, this is less, so you no need to go for all the sums, just do one step. Okay, now what I have done here, quotient plus remainder by denominator. So what is quotient? Quotient is 1 upon 2 plus remainder x upon 2 minus 1, denominator 2x square minus x. See how the sum is simplified from this step to this step. Why? The numerator power and x denominator power are same. If the numerator power bigger, then also you have to do the long division method. If the numerator power is smaller compared with the denominator, you have to go with lambda mu method. So now I change this sum. Now we have to move on. Okay, now this is a shortcut. You can go by many methods. Either you can go, if you differentiate this one, you're getting this one or that answer, or you go by CSK2 or CSK. Now it is possible to, because numerator power is x to the power is 1. You can divide, take the x common. You can go by method, or father upon child minus mother upon child also you can go. So whichever method is easy, you have to choose now. Okay. So I will strike out. I'll continue from this step onwards. So a upon now quotient plus, I've done this one right. So I1, I2, I1 as usual, I2 as usual. So therefore substitute, the new question will become, therefore this question can be replaced as integration 1 upon 2 dx, and this one x by 2 minus 1 upon 2x square minus x dx. This is your I1, this is your I2, integration 1 and integration 2. Whenever this type is given, now both they will give you marks, okay? So first one, finish it off, I1 and get the marks. I1, 1 upon 2 dx. Now take 1 upon 2 outside. Now constant, 1 upon 2, 1 integrate panna x plus c1. Finish it off, I1 you get the marks. I2, use the partial fractions. The I1 I completed. Now I move on to the I2. I2, what is I2 given? So I2 is, therefore I2 is, you can take LCM also. You will take LCM. This becomes x minus 2 upon 2, and here take the x common. So 2x minus 1. See, I have taken x common. So it will become 2x minus 1, here normal LCM. And therefore I2 equal to, here 1 by 2 remaining x minus 2 upon x into 2x minus 1 dx. Now see the numerator power, x power 1, and denominator 2 brackets. Therefore it will become automatically CSK 2. Now, so x minus 2 upon x into 2x minus 1 equal to a upon first bracket, b upon second bracket, like this. Now the toughest sum will go on. Now normal LCM, x minus 2, x into 2x minus 1, normal LCM, a into 2x minus 1, b into x upon x into 2x minus 1. For all the sums cancel. So x minus 2 equal to a times 2x minus 1 plus b. Now you can use it any method, method 1 or method 2. Now choice is yours, method 1 or method 2, you choose any one method. Okay, so method 1 or method 2, you choose. So I'll go with method 1. You have to put x equal to, x value 0 1 by 2. So you can go with that method also. So to find a and b value, so x equal to 1 by 2 potana, 2 into 1 by 2, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Appo x equal to 1 by 2 choose pandra, both the side. Appo 1 by 2 minus 2 equal to a into smutta plus b. So I got b oda value as minus 3 by 2. B oda value minus 3 by 2. So what you are getting, you have to check it. Minus 3 by 2. Next, all the, so b or x is 0. How to find the b value now? Here you have to use the method 2. See here, b pakatha x edume illa. About there is no other go. You have to use the method 2. Method 2 enadhu, equate the constant. Appo enna panna, x minus 2 ulla multiply panna, a 2x minus a plus b. If rendu pukka constant enna, inga constant minus a plus b, and left side constant minus 2. Okay, right side, left side constant minus 2. Now substitute the b value. So minus 2 equal to minus a minus 3 by 2. So minus 2 plus 3 by 2 equal to minus a. So I got minus 1 by 2 equal to minus a. So a would have value 1 upon 2. So I got a would have value as anywhere I have done a mistake, I have to go. So 2ax minus a plus b, right? So minus a plus b equal to minus 2. B order value, we got b order value is minus 3 by 2, correct only. So minus 3 by 2, it will become plus 3 by 2, become minus 4 minus 1 by 2. So a order value, I got a order value is 2a plus b. So now check. Okay, let me check from the first. So a upon x, b upon 2x minus 1. A upon x, b upon 2x minus 1. Okay, a upon x, b upon 2x minus 1. When a times 2x minus 1 bx by dx into 2x minus 1, both of them cancel, x minus 2, correct. So a times 2x minus 1 plus b. Now a x equal to 1 by 2, both the sides I have to put x equal to 1 by 2, right? There is no c here, I have done a mistake. C here, plus bx is there, but I have forgot to put bx, so this is bx, so this become bx. I forgot. Okay, bx. So in place of x equal to 1 by 2, in place of x equal to 1 by 2, b would value minus 3. Okay. So in place of x equal to 1 by 2, so both the sides cancel. So I got b would value is minus 3. So be very careful. See, I have done a careless mistake again. So here again it will become x. Okay, it will become x. Now compare the constant, because already I found the b value. You can compare the constant. So what is that? Comparing the constant. Okay, you can compare the constant. So here, so x minus 2 equal to x a common 2a plus b, and here minus a. Now compare panna. Inge x oda coefficient 2a plus b. Here x oda coefficient 1. If we substitute b value, we get a value. Or shortcut, constant inga minus a. Inga constant minus 2. Appo a oda value enna vanduchu? 2 is the easy way. Okay, anything your motto is to find a b value. Okay, so even if we substitute here also 1 equal to 2a minus 3, so I got minus 2, I got 4 equal to 2a, so a equal to 2. Here also I got the a value same. Okay, now substitute, therefore finally I2 is from here I have to go, that is integrations a upon a order value 2 upon x dx, b ke badala minus 3 2x minus 1 dx. Now normal integration, minus 3 I have taken outside, 2x minus 1 dx. So integration panna 1 upon x integrate panna log x minus 3. Denominator differentiate panna numerator vanda log of denominator. Inga varuma 2x minus 1 differentiate panna namakku 2 venum. ஆனா மேல 2 இல்ல. அப்ப என்ன பண்ண? ஷார்ட்கட். ஒரு 2 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி டிவைட் பண்ணா ஷார்ட்கட். இப்போ வருதா பாரு, டினாமினேட்டர் டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணா நியூமரேட்டர். So 2 log x minus 3 by 2 log of denominator. நான் வந்து t லாம் எடுத்து பண்ணவே இல்ல. This is your I2. t லாம் எடுத்து பண்ணணும். t எடுத்து பண்ணணும் அப்பலாம் தேவையில்லை. ஷார்ட்கட். டினாமினேட்டர் டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணா நியூமரேட்டர் வர வைக்கணும். அங்க இல்ல. அந்த நம்பர் என்ன நம்பர்? 2. அப்ப 2 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி டிவைட் பண்ணு. This is your I2. Final answer. நம்ம I2 கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம். I1 என்ன வந்துச்சு? So finally you have to do I1 I2. I1 I2 என்ன பண்ணனும்? ஆட் பண்ணனும். I1 x1, that is I1 plus I2 the final answer. I1 enna vanchu? X by 2. I2, therefore 2 log x minus 3 by 2 log of 2x minus 1 plus c போட்டு சம முடிக்கணும். So question number 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Question number 10 11. These are the sums I have completed using partial fractions. Now I'll move on to the question number 7. X upon x square plus 1 plus into x minus 1. So question number 7. So a b value, even teachers, we teachers also should be very constant. You have to concentrate more. Now 7 sum. X upon x square plus 1. X upon x square plus 1 times x minus 1 dx. Integrations. Now check which CSK will come. Ask any shortcut. Numerator linear polynomial. Denominator inside square is there and a single term is there. So inside square, is there any possible 8 standard portion a plus b a minus b? No. So a plus b, if it is x square minus 1, easy sum. A plus b and a minus b you can go. But inside square, so it will become CSK5. Inside square. So x upon x square plus 1 into x minus 1. CSK5. CSK5 another. CSK5 you can go. What I told you, CSK5. So single term. So single term first a upon x minus 1. After bx plus c upon the quadratic. Single term a by quadratic polynomial bx plus c. If one more x square plus 3 irukna, dx plus d plus ex by that one you have to go. You have to move on. Like this, they won't ask you, but if they ask you, please see that one more x square plus 3 is there now. B plus ex upon x square plus 3 you have to go. Okay. Now as usual, so x upon x square plus 1 into x minus 1 cross multiply. A into x square plus 1. Bx plus c into x minus 1 upon normal multiply x minus 1 into x square plus 1. Cross multiply with the denominator. This I have done. Okay. Now cancel it for all the sum. Therefore x equal to old numerator a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. So this is your new old numerator, new denominator. Now use a shortcut. So now method 1 and method 2 will come together. Okay, it's simultaneously. If I put x equal to 1, this will become 0. Or you go with method 2. That's your choice. So if I put x equal to 1 both the side. So 1 equal to a into 1 square plus 1 plus b 1 plus c into 1 minus 1. Both the sides equal to 1. Upon this will become 0. So 2a equal to 1. Upon a equal to 1 upon 2. Is it a equal to 1 upon 2? Let me check. Or a equal to 1 upon 2. Next step. If I put x equal to 0. See here. This is first step. Second step. What is the use of x equal to 0? Think. You can put x equal to 0 both the side. So this will become 0 equal to a into 0 square plus 1 plus b into 0 plus c 0 minus 1. I put x equal to 0. Okay. So x equal to 0 na. Now b would coefficient 0 actually. So it's easy. So 0 equal to a into 1 plus c into minus 1. I can substitute the a value here. So 0 equal to 1 by 2 minus c. So c or value I got 1 by 2. See, I have used the shortcut. X equal to 0, you can put no problem. So I got c or value also 1 by 2. Now, how to find the b value? There is no other go because I have used 1, I have used 0. But for how to find the third variable? For third variable, I already told you in the first itself, use the method number 2. What is the method number 2? Just multiply and compare the coefficients. So x equal to multiply the a, multiply the b, multiply the b, multiply the c. Now substitute the values which you know already. Or compare the coefficient. Here x oda coefficient enna 1. Inge x oda coefficient x square common edutha enna varum x square common edutha a plus b. அடுத்து x காமன் எடுத்தா இங்க x ன்றது 1 cx மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு. மத்ததெல்லாம் கான்ஸ்டன்ட். ஓகே. இப்போ இங்க x உடைய கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் வந்து என்னது c. இங்க x உடைய கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் வந்து 1. That's it. பாரு abc. You got abc. c equal to 1 I got. Let me also check. If I got c or the value is no, I forgot c. Somewhere I did a mistake. C 1 by 2 already got, right? Now I don't want to have C value. Ax square plus a, bx square minus b, cx minus c. I don't want to find out the C value. I need to find out b value. So b value I should be very careful. So wait. So now so C b value, right? So coefficient. X square உடைய coefficient வந்து என்னது x square உடைய coefficient a plus b. இங்க x square coefficient x square இல்ல. அடுத்து இங்க x உடைய coefficient b value தான் நமக்கு வேணும். ஓவா. So 0 equal to a பதிலா 1 by 2 plus b. அப்ப b equal to minus 1 upon 2. I got b equal to minus 1 upon 2. Yes, correct. Now coefficient. This is how to find out. I repeat one more time. Okay, I repeat one more time. Now this is inside square, so I have CSK5. I use the normal first step x equal to x equal to 1 pota. The entire term becomes 0, so that I can find out a. Next step x equal to 0 default. X equal to 0 you can put for all the sums, no problem. X equal to 0 if I put now this will become 0, so that I can find out c value. Next another variable you have to find out. Sure, you have to multiply inside. Compare the coefficient. I need to find the b value, right? So x square is the coefficient a plus b. Here there is no x square, so I put 0. Then I found the abc value. Now once you found the abc value, go and substitute in the question itself. Therefore you'll get the answer. So ABC value. So I'll give a hint, then you can do on your own. So A value 1 by 2. 1 by 2 upon. Correct? 1 by 2 upon. So log of denominator will come. B into 1 by B value minus 1 by 2 into X plus C value 1 by 2 upon. Then father upon child plus mother upon child you can do. Father upon child plus mother upon child you can do. Father upon child. X upon x square plus 1. Denominator differentiate பண்ண numerator வரணும். X square plus 1 differentiate பண்ணா 2x. இங்க x மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு. அப்போ 2 ஆல multiply பண்ணி divide பண்ணா உங்களுக்கு ஆன்சர். அடுத்து c க்கு பதிலா 1 by 2. 1 by 2 substitute பண்ணா integration 1 upon x square plus 1. So integration 1 upon x square plus a square formula யூஸ் பண்ணு. So I repeat, ஒன்னு பிரச்சனை இல்ல. a க்கு பதிலா 1 by 2 போடு, b க்கு பதிலா minus 1 by 2 போடு, c க்கு பதிலா 1 by 2 போடினா i1 i2 ஆ மாறும். i1 integration log of i2 ல father upon child plus mother upon child piri, then it will be very easy for you. Father upon child la father upon x square plus 1 plus mother upon child 1 by 2 வெளிய எடுத்துருவே 1 upon x square plus 1 i1 i2 i3 i2 ல ஒரு 2 multiply divide பண்ணினா log of i3 ல integration 1 upon x square plus a square formula கண்டுபிடிச்சு you can use it. Okay, so next video I'll put question number, I'll move on to the question number 8. So thanks a lot.